Alright, now TTR125. This is an old one. Anyway, it was before the electric starts. But this bike doesn't take a whole lot to start it. So I did the seat, and I'm gonna do the graphics now on this TTR. I got it on eBay from this company called Fast House, and 50 bucks. Then you use your tools, and then I'm gonna convert this guy into a Fast House. Okay, so the best way to do it really is just use some glass cleaner and put it on, and use these squeegees to squeegee out the water, and you'll get a really nice job, bro. Check it out. Aloha. So what I do here is I spray a lot of the Windex, or you can use, I like Glass Plus. So I don't know if you can be able to see. If you just keep this wet all the time, it'll be real easy to put these on. Have them really nice, just like the pros, man. You just play with it, nice and soft. Make sure your hands are clean, so you get a really good stick. Move this one. You want to center everything before you go ahead and lock this thing down. And everything nice and centered. These are the hardest. The side panels. Yep. Because you got a lot of contour, and this graphics are normally really thick. They don't like to contour to the graphics. Contour to the graphics don't want to contour to the side panel. So kind of gotta get it right where you want it. Sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. So you just gotta use your patience. That's the one with this, man. There's a lot of patience. Because you gotta get this thing. They say, they'll tell you all kinds of stuff on how to put these on. But it's just a lot of patience, bro. Okay, you get this thing on just right. You're gonna use a squeegee. I don't know, some guys, they say this Blue Max. This one is good enough. This one is really cheap. Works better than the Blue Max, if you ask me. But I'm just a regular old garage guy. So you want to get the excess water out if you can. See this, I want to bring down this guy's hell. There we go. It's going down. Get all your excess water off. Push it out. And get it nice and straight. That's the hardest part, is getting it nice and straight. So when you're working with this, obviously you see this contour is not going to cooperate with me at all. So I'm going to have to make it cooperate with patience and heat. I'll show you what heat can do. Just a second. Let me get this up. Maybe start from the top and then work our way down. See that? But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to seal up this top. The heat gun. What the heat gun does is it helps to activate the glue that they provide. But watch out because this thing is gonna get really, really hot. I leave it on the low setting on the heat gun. You can use you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. I don't know if you're gonna get the heat you need to activate this glue. You want to get all that water out. If you don't get it out, it won't come out. It's not that difficult. If you have patience. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this. You guys get the idea of what I'm doing. I'll show you later. Okay, now for the back fender. This fender has seen better days, bro. But watch when I put these graphics on. It's gonna be straight. Hopefully I'll get a good shot. I don't know. Guess I'm going to start with the center. Like the guy says, make sure you keep your hands clean. Keep your surfaces clean. Everywhere you're going to stick this stuff, you want to get clean. So the back fender's like a breeze, bro. So I'm going to get all that water out. the water out. You want to get your blow dryer or your heat gun. Heat guns are really inexpensive, cheap. Invest in one. And you're gonna dry all that. Look good. And you'll see it, because what it'll do is it'll steam in there. It'll steam in there, and you can get that liquid out. Get a really glassy pro job, bro. It's like the pros. That's why I didn't even have to use this that much. Oh, there's no water in there. Lock down the glue. You gotta watch out though. The last time I did it, I got a little bit too anxious and I burned the doggone graphics with too much heat. So you gotta watch your heat, bro. Put the sides on and then I'll show you that. Alright, here we go, guys. Put the graphics on. Not bad. When you put the graphics on, remember the gas tank one, if it has these, you have to take them out so that, I don't know why, but for some reason those things will just peel off if you don't take them off. Graphics came out really nice. I put my little cover onto the shock absorber there, and looks like a whole different bike. Put the step. See, could have got it a little bit better, but that's okay. It's a $12.99 mod, you know what I mean? You can see that on my seat video, but everything looks solid now. So thank you for viewing my video. The 2001 TTR125, but we have lockdown over here on the island because of the COVID virus. We cannot leave the house for 14 days. Wow. But anyway, you guys take care, and I'll see you guys on the dirt trails soon. Hopefully soon. If not, I gotta rebuild all my bikes. I gotta put on some crazy stuff on my motorized bicycle there. I'll show you later. Yeah. Alright. Aloha.